This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the eCarExpo in, well, Oslo or Lillestrøm, but I'm going to show you guys Renault R4. People are talking about the Renault 5, but here's the 4. E-Tech. Okay, so it's the same like Megane, right? But it has that retro style. It's like they just gave up on aerodynamics. But okay, let me show you guys. Some other people are checking out the car. I'm going to show you the trunk. Renault, wow, you know, it has that classic look, right? Try to make it retro. It actually has motorized liftgate. And it, you know, I used to own a Renault 5. It has elements that resembles the Renault 5 in many ways. And then here we have a little lid. Okay, kind of, wait, huh? Why do we have a split? Huh? Okay, whatever. And you can lift up here to free up more space. Oh, okay. Hey, what is this? Is this vehicle to load? Wait, since when did European cars get vehicle to load? Huh? I thought it was like a Korean and Chinese car thing. Okay, so we put it here along with the what the heck? Okay, just put it down. And then here we have 12-volt outlet. And then I'm trying to fold this in a quick way. Can I just tuck it away there? Kind of. Well, it becomes a bit flimsy to handle. Look at this. Okay, now it just naturally falls back to its spot. And then here we have hooks for secure. How do you take it out? What was I say? You have there. Hooks for securing cargo. It is so sturdy of metal that you can barely pull it in and out. There. 4 hooks on each corner. And here is that the French flag. Nice. A little pocket there. Okay. And then there was a Type 2 cable. Just toss it in there. And then close the trunk. There. Okay. Let's check out the front if no one is there. Okay. Aha, okay, you know what? I get the Megane vibe once I see the user interface. Let's see. Get in here. Yeah. Wait. The closing sound is a bit hollow. Wait, did the woman set up the lights here? Okay, whatever. 2 USB-C. Oh, 12-volt front there also. Yeah, cup holders here, a tiny little center console, actually goes kind of deep-ish. First body, and okay, do you want to turn off there? A Google-based system. Oh. No, huh, what? I didn't say hey Google.
For å gjøre det må du logge på kontoen din på nytt.
Nei.
Trygt kan du sjekke bilvarselet for å få
Avbryt.
informasjon.
Avbryt. Okay, right there. All right, let's see. Okay, so it's manual seats. Yeah, it looks like hey, what? There's buttons there. Okay, but let's see. Whoa! What the heck is this? The roof liner is kind of there. You see, it has dimples over there. We call it. Wait, I need to go as low as possible, right? Because that's how low people go. There. I have over a fist of headroom here, so actually pretty good headroom for such a small car. But what about the rear seats? Yeah. It kind of resembles a Renault 4, Renault 5 in many ways. I had a turquoise Renault 4 and a Renault 5 as the first car ever. So here we have pocket there, we have 2 USB-C there. Oh, I see. Well, I think I adjusted myself roughly for the front. And then this is the kind of leg room. You can't put your legs, your feet rather, under the front seat that much. And then same hollow door closing sound here, I guess. Yeah, kind of. And then, wow, so here you can see it better. The roof is like this. It actually makes, wow, it's like a studio. I can hear it. There's almost no echo here because of this. But in terms of space, 2 finger of clearance. And here, what about the middle seat? Oh, then I'm more or less just rubbing into the headliner. So maybe not the best space. Can we fold any of this? No. At least what is good is that we have these openings here, lids for Isofix. So that's nice, but it's not that spacious car. But I mean, what did you expect, right? So look here. Okay, we have e-surface in the front. Oh, very nice visible. That's great. But you can fold it also forward, which is interesting. You fold it forward. And then what is the purpose of it? Well, when you fold the seats now, you can fit 2-meter long items in here. Just remember to strap them properly so they don't shoot forward. But wow, even for a small car, you can actually fit long items here. Charge port is here, e-tron style. Not sure if I like the placement, because then you might have to pull cable, and you have to even go nose in and pull the cable there, and then you might gather some schmutz. But well, yeah, at least it's a Renault. What the heck is this? Does this have a purpose? No. Oh, I think it's just a design thing. Yeah, it's just for design, to look like a retro car. So I mean, you know, nowadays people, they don't buy EVs because of the best range necessarily. Otherwise they would buy Tesla. Everyone would buy Tesla, right? But the best efficiency, they want something that looks different. At least this car looks different. So yeah, eventually I should be able to test it. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.